How to tag everyone in WhatsApp group. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up WhatsApp, and once you do that, navigate to the group that you want to tag people in. Now, once you are on the group right here, click on the messaging field, and just like any other social media platform, type in the @ which is the tagging or mentioning icon. And as soon as you do that, you'll see that a list has just came up that contains the group members. And you should keep in mind that unlike, say for example, Facebook or other social medias, uh, WhatsApp does not have that feature that's like when you write everyone, when you want to tag everyone, it will tag like every single person in the group. For example, in Facebook group, sorry, if you want to tag everyone, if you type this @ everyone, it will tag every single person in that group. However, that does not work the same way in WhatsApp. Instead, it will give you a list of people that you will be able to choose and do the same thing over and over for all the members of the group till you have tagged every single one of them. And unfortunately, this is the only way to do so right now. And hopefully in the future, WhatsApp, maybe it can add that option or feature where you can tag everyone or mention everyone in one click, just like Facebook, for example. So that was it for this video. That's how you can tag everyone in a WhatsApp group. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.